So we are walking here along the Pasig River here in Manila in the Philippines in order to catch a public ferry, and we are going to go to a market to try some Filipino food. So we're being escorted to the ferry.
Everyone here seems so friendly.
Thank you.
Oh, so we just got on onto the ferry and they're playing loud music over here. So there's quite a vibe.
Cool ferry.
I really did not expect this ferry to be so huge, and it's actually quite cool to think that we're here in Manila in the Philippines on a ferry on the Pasig River. It's so awesome.
This is our stop.
Salamat. Good morning.
So it looks like that whole ferry ride was actually free. I expected to pay something to go on it, but we didn't pay anything.
There's a jeepney, we need to get one. There's one. Hi, kumusta? You're going to the market in BGC?
Market, sir.
Market.
Sakay ka market, sir. Going to market.
That one.
Oh, get one.
Are you finding the gap?
No, I can never get a break to cross this road. There's just so many cars.
Oh, we're getting help. Wow.
These roads are very busy.
We got some help over there, we were waiting so long. I want to go market, BGC. Sure. This one here, hey?
Thank you.
How much peso?
13.
13 peso. Another jeepney.
These jeepney roofs are so low, like my head's touching the roof if I sit up straight.
Mine as well. It's literally touching. So here is a rope that you can actually pull, so it signals the driver to stop. This one's so loud. Ooh. Sounded like a bird. Those things are always an experience, eh?
They're always so confusing. You never know if you're going to miss your stop.
Yeah, I don't know. I think we might have stopped in the wrong place or a little bit too early, but it's
Oh,
okay.
well.
It's about a 5-minute walk to the market.
So we are here at Market, and no, I'm not double pronouncing these words like I did with the tuk-tuk we took. It's almost like the tuk-tuk we took. The tuk-tuk we took. It's actually called Market. But we are here to try the national Filipino dish called Lechon, as well as the other national dish amongst the locals, which is called Adobo.
So the difference between Lechon and Adobo is that Lechon is made with pork and Lechon sauce. Adobo is made with any type of meat such as chicken or pork, and the sauce is made out of vinegar and soy sauce. So the reason why the locals refer to that as their national dish is that those ingredients of adobo are easier found anywhere in the country. Alright, so let's see if we can find these dishes around here at the market. I thought it was going to be more of a street market, but it seems to be right next to the mall.
So it looks like this market's got a bit of everything from clothing to fresh produce as well as flowers, but I see there are some food stores.
I'm so excited to try this type of food. It's so different and unique. Oh, what's that?
Looks like a soup.
Oh my gosh, it's starting to seem a bit difficult to find lechon here at this market. Didn't think it would be difficult seeing that it's a national dish. There's some pork tacos, chicken rolls.
It almost looks like a version of a spring roll. I think it is a spring roll. I'm actually not too sure.
But we are not here for that. We are here for lechon and adobo. Come on, where they have to have. Oh, lechon. Found it. Do you have adobo and lechon? Adobo, sir. And lechon? You don't have lechon, eh? Oh, can I please get adobo?
adobo, pork adobo with rice or just an adobo?
With rice, please.
Isang papaitan.
This looks good. So this is our first time trying Filipino food. So we have our adobo here, which is a pork adobo, and some rice and some spinach. Sure, that is really good. It's super salty, which I'm really enjoying. I didn't expect it to be super salty, but it's absolutely delicious. Like, my taste buds were not expecting that at all. So you can definitely see the vinegar and soy sauce here, which I think definitely gives it its flavor. This one isn't warm, so I'm not sure if it's supposed to be served cold or hot. This one's not warm, but it's still good. Maybe you have to try some.
So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take the sauce with the pork and I'll pour it on the rice and see what that tastes like. See if we can get a full flavor here. Oh, look at that. Okay, well that looks good, doesn't it?
That looks amazing.
That saltiness is really just on point, eh? I think it's the vinegar that is giving it that flavor. And soy sauce is also quite salty, so it's hitting the back of your tongue.
I'm not too sure if we're getting the full experience because this is cold, so I'm a little bit upset about that, but nonetheless, it's still good. Thank you. Okay, so now that we have tried the adobo, now we're gonna go and try and find the Lechon.
Oh, snacks. No, Lechon.
Lechon.
Okay, Lechon.
Lechon.
Oh my gosh, he has one right here.
Really?
Yeah. Hi, how are you? We come to try your Lechon.
Lechon sisig.
What's that?
Lechon sisig.
CC.
Sisig.
What's CC?
Sisig.
No idea. Do you know what they say?
So it's got lemon on it. Is it Lechon?
Yes, ma'am.
With lemon.
Mayonnaise.
With mayonnaise.
Sisig like
Sisig.
Sisig.
What is that?
Is it fish?
no. Pork.
Also pork.
Pork sisig.
Just a different way of making it. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Sisig.
So apparently this is a sisig pork. I don't know what it is, but
Good. Spicy.
wow. Well, there's a lot of herbs and a lot of spiciness and flavor in there. Oh, wow. That's actually really good.
Pork sisig.
Oh, that is really nice.
Can we get some of the spicy one, please?
Spicy.
Spicy Lechon.
Thank you.
Thank you, Salamat. It's really hard sometimes to understand everyone. We all pronounce words so differently, so sometimes it's a word you actually know, but because like people pronounce it differently, you have no idea what they're saying.
I think I saw a store earlier that said sisig on it, but I have absolutely no idea what that is. I'm sure it's part of the pork, but I don't know which part.
But it was delicious.
So Lechon is a slow cooked pig. So they basically take it and then they put like some herbs and stuff inside, and then they place it in the oven and they let it cook over a slow period of time. Again, I feel like this is the Spanish history coming back in, because this was actually a Spanish dish before, and we decided to go for the spicy one. So they have given us a vinegar sauce, but I'm gonna try it without it first. This is good. So that is super delicious. It almost feels like a roast, but I guess it's similar. But the skin on the outside, because it's been slow roasted, has got so much crackling, which makes like this crunch in your mouth, but super flavorful and very delicious.
It kind of looks like an ice mine because it's very fatty pig. I'm sure the spicy one's going to be so good because I love spicy food. So let's give this a try. Why is pork so good? Oh, that is tasty. It's not as salty as the adobo. It's got a lot less flavor in it, but it's very juicy and it's very soft. And just the flavors is like a perfect amount of like blend, so it's just absolutely perfect. And at least this one is warm, which is amazing. Now let's try it with this, which is apparently a vinegar and chili sauce, or it could be the Lechon sauce. I'm not 100% sure. I'm scared this thing pops all over the place. Oh, it's gonna be disastrous. Oh, got it.
Hopefully we like it.
Oh my gosh, that looks good.
Is it chili?
Woo! just by licking my fingers there, it seems a little bit hot.
Maybe this was the vinegar.
So what's this then?
I don't know.
Is this just a chili sauce?
I don't know.
Should we put both in?
Give it the full try.
Oh, that one was easier. This one on. Oh, look at this. So juicy. Oh my word. That is freaking delicious. I understand why this is their national dish. This is so good. It's a lot sweeter and a lot spicier than the adobo, as the adobo had a lot of salt. But this is just so good. Every single bite, there's just like an explosion of flavor coming in your mouth. It's absolutely amazing. Oh, I don't think this is the only time I'm going to be eating this when we're in the Philippines.
I absolutely love the crackling and the spicinesses. Like Danny said, just bring out all this flavor. So far, I really like this compared to the adobo, but maybe we're gonna have to try adobo again another time in order to redeem its like taste.
After being in the Philippines for a few days, this is my favorite dish. So good.
So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more of our Philippines adventure.